Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. So, today in this video, I am going to share with you some tricks and tips to increase your score and rank effectively by using Marrow. So, let's get started. So, in this video, I am going to talk about the study plan for the students who are appearing or aiming for the Central Institute examinations and the other category of students who are aiming for the NEET PG. So, for the students who are aiming for the AIMS PG, they have only 2 months. So, I'm going to share with you and I'm going to give you some tips that will definitely help you to increase your rank in less period of a time. So, assuming that the AIMS PG examination will be conducted in the November month, as usual, so we have 2 months left for the exam, that is 60 days. So what I want you to do, that divide these 60 days into three, that is first 25 days, then 25, and then 10. So what I want you to do, that use the custom modules from the Marrow and select the subject wise custom module. So go to the custom modules, there you can see the list of the subjects. So use for the one subject anyone, like anatomy, physiology, or anyone, and then further you can use the tag for the AIMS, hashtag AIMS or hashtag NEETPG. So and you can also select the number of questions, which is 10, 25, 50 and 100. You can choose it as you want. So after choosing the tag AIMS PG and NEET PG, you will get the questions from the high yielding topics or from the previously asked questions papers, and solve those MCQs. You will get an idea of the important topics and the topics which are frequently asked in the AIMS PG. Because in AIMS PG the topics they get repeated many times, so you get an overview or an idea that which topics you should study before going for the exams. So after solving the custom model MCQs, what you can do is just go through the explanation which is given below the MCQ, and read it, and note it down the important topics which are there in the MCQs, and revise those topics only from your notes, because from those topics only you will get 50 to 60% of the questions in the exam. So those are very important and you should revise those topics again and again. So in first 25 days, solve these custom modules for the AIMS and NEET PG subject wise, and read the important topics from your notes. Okay, then after 25 days, again the 25 days, what you do is revise those topics only and solve the same questions from the custom modules which are tagged with AIMS PG. So after 25 days, again you solve the revise the same topics and the MCQs from the custom models, and which you noted down in your notebook or in your notes. Okay, and remaining 10 days, what you can do is to revise the volatile topics, like even in the custom module you get the tag of the hashtag numbers or drug of choice or important topics like. Also along with the custom modules, give GTs every week, and analyze those GTs in the details, like whatever the important topics and explanation is given, read it and revise it. It will definitely going to help you, and from the important topics, 50 to 60% topics and the questions from that topic is definitely going to be there in the exams. So for the other category of student, NEET PG, assuming that the NEET PG will be conducted in the first week of Jan, we have 120 days, that is 4 months left for the exam. So what I want you to do, that divide these 120 days into three parts. First part is of the 60 days, second 30, and again the third is 30. So what you want, what I want you to do, that in these first 60 days, use the Q bank of the Marrow and solve 300 MCQs per day. I'm giving you this study planner assuming that you have not read your notes or anything else yet. So assuming that you're starting from the month of September, that is September 1st. So there are almost 18,000 MCQs in the Marrow Q bank. So if you solve 300 MCQs per day, you can easily complete the Marrow Q bank within 60 days. So solve 300 MCQs per day anyhow, solve this, and along with that give GTs every week, and revise the topics and the explanation given in the GTs. Okay, Then, after completing the first reading or solving the Q bank once, what you do is to, after 30 days, that is this first revision. So revise those MCQs like 300 MCQs, or you can say 60 days. It should be 600 MCQs per day, because you have solved the 300 MCQs per day and read the explanation of that. You can easily complete the 600 MCQs per day. So revise those MCQs again, and yeah, what I want you to do that, just bookmark the MCQs which you have done wrong in the when you solve the Q bank first. Bookmark those MCQs, and then again revise those MCQs during your first revision when you solve the 600 MCQs. Okay, revise those and read the explanation and solve, and along with that give the GTs every week. Every week you have to give GT anyhow. Okay, so after revising the Q bank for the 2 times, what you can do for the last 30 days, use the custom modules from the Marrow. In the custom modules you can use it for all the subject, or you can use it subject wise or topic wise. So and there is also a tag for the AIMS PG or NEET PG. So if you are applying for the NEET PG, use that tag and solve those custom modules and the questions which are there in the custom modules, which are very important and high yielding for the exams, because the questions from those topics has been previously asked in the exams. So use those and revise those. Okay, also revise the volatile topics like the drug of choice from the pharma, or the numbers, or the most commons. You can use those in the custom modules. So this is how you can complete the whole Q bank of the Marrow in just 120 days, and in 60 days, and revise it for the 2 times after that. So if you complete these, if you complete Q bank and revise it, you can easily get a decent score according to me.